My name is Jon Kaine. I'm a principal at Dark Horse CPAs, and I've been working in public accounting, been a CPA for just about 15 years. I provide fractional accounting and CFO services to small and medium-sized businesses, mainly in the construction, trade, manufacturing, and SaaS spaces. So in my experience, clients are looking for some qualities in a CPA like clear communication and translating that into delivering on work product, taking complete ownership of that work product. When I first engage with a client, by sitting down with them, having a conversation, and understanding what some of the needs are of that client so that I can tailor a suite of services exactly for that person and for their business. So working with me looks a little bit like, on our first meeting, we'll sit down. Through conversation and me exploring your books and records, it'll help me understand your business, and then again, really try and dig deep into exactly what you're looking for so that I can tailor and customize a suite of accounting services that attack and solve those problems.